Hey, stop the bike. Stop the bike. Stop the bike. Clock for 5-3. He's fleeing. He's going southbound on Jernigan. Bravo Mike, all black. Southbound Jernigan from Randall. All right, he's going. All right, he's going west on Anderson towards OPH. Control unit, right behind you. All right, Westmoreland. He's parking the bike up. Hey! Let me see your hands.
Yeah, Westmoreland, I'm where?
Westmoreland Anderson, main contact. One taser point. Hey, get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Westmoreland Anderson, cloned out. Why'd you run?
I'm not running.
Yeah, you are. Get your hands. Get your hands out in front of you.
I got lights on my bike.
Just be quiet because they're gonna do what they gotta do anyway. So don't worry about it.
Hey, don't touch the bike.
Stop, LaMary. I was moving the bike. It don't matter. I ain't want to fall on it. But here come more. Can I pick the bike up?
No. Leave the bike, please.
What's wrong with the bike?
Camera.
What did I do wrong? You got my ID right here, sir. You trying to stop me for no reason.
Hey, boys, you have units 97 with you. We can stand for the 44 and 10%.
Can you go to the... My car's way over there. Maybe. Randall and Jernigan.
Hey, John, can you go to Randall?
Was it on your bike?
Yeah, this is his bike. We'll grab this too.
Go ahead, sir. Go ahead. Go ahead. I don't have anything on me, sir.
Why'd you run, dude?
Stop me for no reason.
He just dropped your keys.
No, those are my keys to the car. Those ain't nothing. They're my phones. You go ahead. You can search it once, sir. I don't got nothing on me. Go ahead.
Yeah, this is the bike.
Where do you need me to, like, where was he going? That way I could
I came from
I watched
Randall
them all
and
the
from
time.
Anderson and Jernigan. I didn't
I
drop
didn't
anything.
see.
I've been right on the bike the whole time.
Alright.
Say no, dude. Yeah, this is it.
And my ID's right there, sir. Come on. Hey, sir, my ID's right there. On your feet.
All right, we're
My
gonna get it.
IDs.
We're gonna get it, bro.
Go ahead. That's what I'm saying. They stopped me for no reason. I'm riding on the bike the whole time.
Sir, you gotta back up 25 feet.
I ain't running no nothing. What did I do?
Hey,
Frank.
25 feet. New rule.
I lost sight of him right here on the sidewalk.
We can go
So I might just have somebody walk right here.
So you know it.
Yeah, I lost sight of him for a second right here.
I've been in the road.
So I
I
don't
came
know
out
if
the
he dumped
road.
something right
When
here.
I came out on the shit, I've been in the road, sir. There
Sever
you
your
go.
feet,
I didn't
dude.
drop anything. I ain't drop nothing. I don't got nothing on me. You can search me. You can get dig in my pants and all. I don't give a fuck what you do. Cause I can ride my bike. What you mean? I can ride my bike. Money? What? Are you gonna stop me from going to the store? From buying something? Buying shit? Huh?
Dude, if you're not doing anything wrong,
That's
why
what
did
I'm
you
trying to tell
stop, bro?
You stopped me for no reason. I'm not
Okay, alright.
I got racks on my bike.
I got you.
I'm on the sidewalk,
Where's
right?
your ID at? Did we find your ID?
Yes, your partner got right there.
Was it on the ground?
Yeah.
Alright. How old are you?
I'm 18, sir.
18.
Yes, sir. You can wear my ID if you want.
Are these yours?
Yeah.
I'll swap.
Hey, Joe, did you get the 1014 for the guy that was with her? Did you stop it?
I don't know what I did. Hey, John, you see me riding the bike the whole time. And you see me doing something. So, can you tell me?
Give me a second. We're trying to make sure
Yeah.
it's don't.
Hold on.
Yes, sir. I'm just trying to ask you, the buddy to start me. Okay, you chasing me, you see I got lights and stuff. I'm not doing anything but riding the bike.
18. Does somebody have his ID? He said he's 18, but
Yes.
Frank, he's 18, right? All right.
Is this?
Can I ask you some questions, like Miranda and everything?
Yeah.
All right, just face me real quick. All right. You're just detained. All right. I just got to read this stuff because I got a lot of questions, and obviously I want to give you the benefit of the doubt. All right. All right. Just need a verbal yes or no. Okay. All right. You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand?
Yes.
Anything you say may be used against you in court. Do you understand?
Yes.
You have the right to talk to a lawyer before entering question. You understand?
Yes.
If you cannot afford a lawyer and want one, I'll be here for you before questioning about charge. You understand?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you or promised you anything you talk to me?
No, sir.
All right. Did you see me light you up over there?
No,
in the
sir.
black
You didn't light me up. It was two of us, so you didn't light me up. I ain't seen her. I was still
riding. Did you see
riding.
me jump out of the car and say stop?
Sir, I'm honest with you. It was two of us, so you can't say.
Yeah, but I started running.
I don't know who
right?
you're talking to, sir.
Right.
But I'm telling you, you see me. I have lights on my bike, though, right? Like you can't. What is it? I got lights.
You just told me that I stopped you for a reason.
I'm already down the
said
street.
that on
Why am I
camera.
stopping for though?
You said just because
Sir,
You
you
ran
I
a
got
stop
it.
sign. You ran a stop sign.
I did not run the stop
Yes,
sign.
you did. You did not stop at the stop sign at Jackson. Sorry, you came off Jackson Street, 822 West Jackson. You made the right turn across south. You didn't stop at the stop sign. You didn't stop at two stop signs, as a matter of fact. All right, that's why I stopped you. Did you see me light you up in my black Explorer?
Sir, I
Did
was
you
not
see
paying
you
attention
turned
that
right?
way, sir.
All right.
I was paying attention for
All right, I'm done talking to you, bro. I'm trying to give you the benefit of the doubt, bro.
I know you will, sir.
So did you see my car?
I done seen the lights, but I didn't see you light me up, though, sir. I'm telling you the honest guy.
So why did you take off down the bike this
I've
way?
been riding this way. I'm coming this
No,
way
you weren't.
automatically. Yes, I am.
All right, I'm done talking to you.
I'm not doing anything, sir.
I'll throw him in John's car.
Yeah, you can take John's car.
All right, cool.
I'm going to
You go to
jail.
that gentleman over there?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And my phone and stuff.
They're going to go get the unmarked because he needs his computer.
And my phone and stuff.
So you want all your property to go in?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
The phone, IDs and stuff, too. Sir.
It's coming.
Who do you want?
The guy with the gray. Excuse me. Can you tell me what I'm going to jail for, though, sir? Like, come on, can you please tell me what I'm going to jail for? I'm not. I wasn't even running from you, dude.
Yeah, you were. You absolutely were.
Hey. Hey, you good with him taking that bike or you want to take the bike to Puna? This is uncle.
Can you please? Yeah, that's my uncle.
I'll let him take the bike. That's fine. Yeah.
Oh, I'm running from you, sir.
Where's Lamb?
Hey, went to go get the...
Oh, I got you.
I don't know how you say I'm running from
It
you.
should be at Jernigan and Randall.
Arnie and yeah, he's 18. He turned 18 this year.
I don't know how I was running from you and it was 2
Point
sir.
06.
Okay, come on, mama.
Nothing, just a thing.
Yeah.
I wasn't even fleeing, sir.
He was at
There was 2 of us, so how can you say
822 West Jackson.
I was
They
fleeing?
pull out, went south on Lee,
05
lit him up
2000.
when they were kind of just talking to some female, and he just took off on the bike down from there.
Sir, I told her, excuse me. She was like right there in the middle of the road. You see her right there, so I just
Bro,
got
you
off.
looked at me and you're like, you can't block the
Sir,
sidewalk.
I wasn't.
And then you
following
took
sir.
off.
I wasn't.
You weren't even
following.
moving. You weren't even moving. And then as soon as I let you up, you took off down this way.
Sir, my brakes is messed up on the bike, so I had to slow it down some to get it right for her.
Oh, perfect. All right.
I'll send you Uncle to 14.
Perfect. Thank you. All right, man. Is there anything on your person that I didn't find?
No. Why would you find something on me?
I
You
just-
see, I'm
I
trying to
wanna
get.
ask.
Why would I think I want to go to jail for?
All
You
right,
see, I
take a
get
seat,
running
man.
bike,
Take a seat.
bro.
Take a seat.
Now, you see, I ain't do nothing, bro.
Take a
You
seat.
just want to take me to jail for no reason. You can't give me.
I gotta
no
get my
money to
phone.
jail.
Is that?
Yeah, the car. We brought it over.
Oh, perfect. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Yeah.
Is it free? It's free into a loot. Oh, what the? I go to one community meeting and we're.
No, I've had those. You guys.
Anything else?
No, I'm good.
Got your stuff.